Alright, we got our Risen members Delali and Selasi here. We got a Mugen style spoiler that we're going to be putting on the car. Should look pretty good considering this one looks like shit. Sorry, I didn't mean to slam it so hard.
It's alright.
We're just gonna be, you know, figuring out how to put this Mugen style spoiler on the car. Didn't come with any instructions. That's, you know, given, figuring that it's not an actual Mugen wing, but it looks good. And they got it paint matched. So let's hope this gives this car some good downforce and about 50 more horsepower.
Hopefully. Just
All right.
behind the scenes of making it best.
So first thing it's gonna take is they've already gotten to it. There's a piece of cloth here with some pop clips here that they were able to remove it with their hands. I don't know how they did that 9th gen things, I guess, but I'm assuming you're gonna have to unplug something for this third brake light, but I'm not sure. We're gonna try and get the stock wing off first. Looks like all we gotta do is remove these 2 bolts. They're actually a 10mm. That should be enough to get the wing out, so we're gonna go ahead and try. We got it. This is the stock spoiler right here. So there's only 2 10mm on the sides there. Yeah, so once you get those 2 10mm off here, there was a plug that routed into here. All you had to do was unplug this and then the wing just came right out through the holes here. Go ahead.
Ah, that's disgusting.
There's a clip here that was here. I'm not sure if this was from another wing or that's just how it is on the stock one. But we couldn't really get this clip out, so we ended up just drilling it out now to go on. Selasi cut himself.
Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that.
Oh, okay, that's worse. All right, let's put the Mugen style wing together. So basically, to attach the side wing here, you take the bracket, you want to attach it to the side piece first using the bolts they give you, and then you're going to want to attach it here. So that's how it's going to connect. We're going to go ahead and do that. All right, all done. Look at that.
You got one side?
Damn, I like the little
That's why we bought it,
generators on that thing. All right, let's go and put it on the car.
We're gonna drill some holes. This is the mock view right now. It
Looks
looks
nice
dusty.
so far.
A little dusty. So yeah, what we're gonna do is just drill some holes, get this done.
Oh lordy.
Coming from the other way.
Oh, that's the way, yeah. What?
So what happened?
Peril pulled up.
Where it starts up the car.
SI gang. All right, let's get this wing on.
All right, so basically, we put the packaging came with these 2 sticky pads that help us align the holes. Really nice of them. Shout out to Procivic. It took us a while to align it to make sure that it was perfect because we're trying to not make any mistakes. So we got it in there. So now the only thing left to do is just drill these 2 things in, and then we're done. You don't gotta really worry about the 3rd hole though.
All wrapped up.
Trying to get them on his
We got an audience now. Go ahead.
Alright. Shut down.
We got the Mugen SI wing. Yeah, get them fake Mugen badges on.
Go stupid. Go stupid.
Damn. That looks so much better than the stock one.
I sell it actually. Again, we go ahead.
Are you trying
and
to buy it? If you're trying to buy it, Harold.
$50, bro.
Alright, put aside this bit on my $50.
Yeah. Had the 3rd brake light and everything.
Oh, it was that low. I didn't even notice.
Damn.
Dang.
The wing difference.
Literally.
That bad up there, you barely fit it. Yeah, you can.
There you
That
go.
does look nice.
It's fine, we're getting
Mugen. Mugened out. Oh, it's like 3D. Alright, I might need me one of these, boy.
For what? What Mugen parts do you have in your car, Harold?
My
Nothing.
air freshener.
My air freshener. No, I actually want to mention something. So our goal is to be the cleanest 9th gen sedan Civic SI in Jacksonville. So, you know, like I said, that's a dream for me, and I want to make it happen. So
You're gonna have to wrap it, man. Sorry.
yeah, I know. Nardo Gray coming soon.
Yeah.
Nardo Gray.
Dead ass. I'm gonna go down to
There's so
Gray.
many like
Just the rap, go help me out for sure. Oh, okay. Like I said, y'all guys, never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming.
You guys gotta be at the same time.
Okay.
If he does it
Like I said, guys,
Type R, then
never stop dreaming.